find you at?
No limits underscore car wraps, man. You
Do it all. Tell them all you do.
Car wraps, splitters, fusers, any mod that you can do to a Charger, Challenger, I can do. Lower springs, all that. Hit me up.
Hit them up on Instagram, y'all.
Hell yeah.
So you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I got a new mod. This front splitter came in at least 2-3 weeks ago. I know it came in way before I went to St. Louis, but I wanted to wait to get it put on because I didn't know how the front splitter was gonna handle with the high speeds or whatever. But then another trip came up and I went to Miami, so I said I put it off again. So now I'm finally back from all my trips and I'm about to get it put on. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you know how big I am on front splitter. I feel like that gives the complete look of the front end of the car. So I'm excited and I'm ready to get this put on. I'm ready to show y'all the finishing touching. Frank from the car club, he's the one who put it on. Also, he's the one who installed my wicker bill. So y'all might want to go over and check that video out just in case you want to know how to install a wicker bill. And in this video, I will be showing y'all how to install this front splitter. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green or purple emoji. And when the video is over, we'll come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Also, make sure y'all go get y'all some of that slime pack merch at slimepack.store. Hey, you mind stopping your copyright for a second?
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, I gotta make him cut his copyright off.
He's gonna talk.
You said you gonna do the work and he gonna talk.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
He gotta get used to it because he about to start his YouTube.
The same. What's it called?
What?
The same lip.
But yeah, that's where I got it from. What all came in that box?
That's all enough for you. That's it.
I let Frank have it for my payment. But yeah, these are wings that go on the side. Extension rods. Screw. So you about to do what, Frank? What you about to do?
I'm about to eject the car. Need more space under that, man.
It don't come with holes drilled in it already.
That's probably true. This is gonna be 4 white bodies.
Hey, I bet you get all your work from the car club.
Yeah. It's gonna be 4 white bodies. That's crazy. All in the same car.
When Sam coming to pick his car up? I know he told me he had dropped it off to you this morning.
Yeah, he's coming slowly. Damn, that's really good. The house is... You can't reverse the shit.
He's looking that way.
Yeah.
It stopped.
Go there and take it stop.
It stopped.
What they off? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it from her, bro. It's too easy. You know what? Nah. This shit is quick. This is gonna take it. She beat you to it.
And if you stand fair, I don't got them 35, like, God damn. That's my big job.
What do you do, bro?
How hard is it to take the front bumper off? Easy.
It's pretty easy. I'll show you if you ever have to take it off.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to show me. We're gonna make a video out of that too. What you got to say?
Shit.
Wanna shout out something?
Yeah, I'm cool.
I'm the new guy.
You the new guy?
I'm just standing right here.
I didn't even know you had it all. I didn't even know you had it all.
Yeah, it was that quick. It's literally 3 bolts holding it.
3 bolts.
One here, one here, one here.
So what you about to drill it in?
Yeah, so now I'm just gonna put the bumper on top of this. And then mark with like a highlighter or some shit, a Sharpie.
The whole, kind of like you did with the wicker bill.
Yeah, and it should line up with that. That way we don't have to drill a bunch of holes on the bumper. So.
Professional.
Exactly.
I thought it would be more bugs in there from all the riding I've been doing.
Right, shit. Yeah, a couple bugs right there. Alright, big ass roaches.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be way more than that.
I'm going through Ohio. Ohio is the one that got the big roaches. Put it on top of it.
So the hose is drilled in.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. How many screws did it come with?
Shit, it came with one of the way.
Well, how many holes did you have to drill in? 8.
Holes.
Whoa! What's up?
We in here, what you got going on? Okay. First year fucking it up.
You getting the first preview?
Yeah, gonna get a first look what's going on by the almighty Frank. You know what I'm saying? This rap shit.
What you trying to get done?
Oh, so basically.
Come on, step out. You got that copyright.
Oh, okay, look. So basically, you know what I'm saying? It's time for my Galaxy rap. You know what I'm saying? This is no
You
more.
said Galaxy. Hold on.
Galaxy.
Let me get him a little sneak peek. You ain't talking about something like this.
Yeah, that's just a little sneak peek of what y'all.
This what you talking about?
Yeah, that's a little sneak peek what y'all
That's a
gonna
little
see
sneak
right
peek.
It's a sneak peek, but it's gonna be all this.
So you ain't gonna play with it. You ain't gonna play with it. You gonna do the whole thing.
I'm not gonna play with it. I'm not gonna play with it. Y'all, just stay tuned, man. Y'all following Slime Pack, man. Y'all stay tuned for this great revealing, man. I'm telling you, I got y'all, man. Yeah. You popping out?
I was about to ask you the same thing, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna pop out. I ain't sliding though. I ain't sliding.
Hey, I'm just
I got extra tires to slide now. I do, but we're gonna test the waters out. I might show out a little bit.
I'm just there for the footage. That's it.
That's all I'm there for too, man. Hey, y'all keep it in Slime Pack.
Woo. you at?
No limits. No limits _ car wraps, man. You already
Do it
know.
all. Tell them all you do.
Car wraps, splitters, fusers, any mod that you can do to a charger, challenger, I can do. Lower springs, all that. Hit me up.
Hit them up on Instagram, y'all.
Hell yeah.
So what's up, y'all? This is a different day, but same video. As you can tell from the hat, you know I love my hats. I'm a true cowgirl at heart, but I wanted to give y'all a review of the front splitter inside the same video. I got my car up to different speeds so I can test out how it is. I didn't get the extension rods on yet, but I do have them, and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute when I get out of the car and do a walk around. So I went to the car meet after I got the front splitter on. I left. The high speed, well, as soon as I got it put on, the high speed I got it up to was like 68. I didn't have no problems with it. I got on the bypass. I at least got up to 80. No problem. So the highest I've been is around 80, 90-ish. I don't know if I already said this, but y'all should have already liked this video, dropped your emojis and everything. But listen, if you're not subscribed already, then why you not subscribed? It costs nothing to subscribe. It costs nothing to support. Support is free. I say it all the time. And also, you know, if y'all want some Slime Pack merch, go to slimepack.store. But to get back to what I was talking about, I'm about to get out the car and do a walk around and tell y'all what I think and how I feel about the front splitter. So as I come around to the front, you can get to adjust how far you want the front splitter to come out. I felt like that was fine, perfect enough for me. What I don't like that they already come with their name on there. Like, I feel like they should have an option to add a sticker on if you want to, but that's fine. So this is the look of it. It looks so much bolder and meaner. Y'all know how, well, my subscribers that's been following me for a little minute, y'all know how I feel about a front splitter. I feel like that just makes everything at the front fall in place. Especially, I got the black hood, you see the black here, then boom, you drop down to that, it just completes everything. Not gonna make this video too long. I love it. I would recommend it. Like I said, I got their website down below in the description if you would like one of these.
I said, wait a minute. That car that jazz car.
Uh-huh.
This the front here.
Nah, this is the Widebody one.
Oh, this Widebody.
It just look like it because you know you see the green.
You had the wrap put on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy early Father's Day, Granddad. Happy early Father's Day.
Okay, baby.
How you doing?
All right. I seen this car come by here.
Uh-huh.
Up there, I said, I glimpsed. I said, that jazz car. I said, she ain't got another car back. I said, God, I seen that yellow, and I didn't know you had to win.
Yeah, that's what everybody thinks.
Sure will. Boy, you done got it. Damn.
How you like it?
It's all right.
I'm gonna put you on YouTube now.
You gonna put me on YouTube?
Yeah.
Put me on YouTube.
Yeah, I gotta put you on
Oh,
YouTube.
yeah, put me on YouTube.
Gotta put you on YouTube. Gotta tell them what you like about it.
I like it. I like it, man.
You like it? Sound good?
It sounds good. Yeah, I love the way it sounds. Sure will.
What you out here doing? Watering the
I
grass?
just out here walk, just I love that's my enjoy. I can get out and Now, when did you have it? When did you have it? I know you said you had ordered the wrap.
Yeah.
When did they do it?
It's been wrapped for about 3 weeks now.
Okay, cause I glimpsed it coming. I think it coming. I said, I caught the end of it. I said, Daddy. I said, that's kind of like jazz. I said, that ain't the other one. But I glimpsed the end of it. You had done passed by before I seen it.
Mm-hmm.
But I know you had told me you'd all wrap, but I didn't know you had done got it done.
You want to drive it?
No, babe, I ain't driving. No, babe, I ain't driving. No. What's that them do?
I left them. They was sitting on the front porch.
Okay. Yeah. That do.
I just got that old front splitter right there put on.
Okay,
That bottom piece right there.
Yeah, so that one. Okay.
Make it look, more aggressive
lower.
at the front. Yeah, it look a little lower.
Yeah, sure to make it look lower. That looks good on it though. That's different though. I ain't seen nothing right. That's different.
Mm-hmm.
It's different. Sure will. That looks good on it too. Sure will, man. Boy, that guy looks good though. Ain't good. Yeah, you done right. That left hood, that hood black. Like
Yeah.
that. Oh, yeah.
I ain't want to do too much of the color, and that would have been too much.
Too much, yeah.
I had to keep that black to make it look aggressive.
Sure did, yeah. Sure did, man. This boy got new shoes. So fix stuff like you want it, get like you want it. I don't blame you.
Yep.
And just like I say, I like about every time I see you, you by yourself.
Yep.
I like that.
By myself.
You sure when you by your
Hey.
dad group, you don't cry on the way, you by yourself. That's right. That's right. Nobody help me what y'all. Nobody help me what y'all. I'm riding my own. That's right.
That's right.
By yourself.